Welcome to the Spartan Machinery, where innovation meets reliability. We haven't just built machines, we've built trust, technology, and a legacy that stands tall. Presenting the next generation of construction machinery, engineered with the world's most advanced automation and precision systems. A powerful all-in-one solution that brings heavy-duty hydraulic pressure and German-engineered vibration technology, all seamlessly integrated for unmatched performance. One machine, unlimited possibilities. Whether it's fly ash bricks, paver blocks, solid blocks, concrete blocks, or hollow blocks. The Spartan machinery delivers superior strength, quality, and consistency every time. Designed for the future, our fully automatic machines feature robotic lifting systems and intelligent batching technology, crafted to reduce labor, boost productivity, and ensure smooth, error-free operation from start to finish. What sets the Spartan machinery apart? Low maintenance, high-performance single-mold technology for uniform output and maximum efficiency. Whether you're starting a new plant or upgrading an existing setup, the Spartan machinery is your trusted partner in progress. From small-scale ventures to large industrial units, our machines are built to grow with your business. We also offer complete customization to meet your exact production needs, space requirements, and project goals. Whatever your challenge, the Spartan machinery has the solution. Designed, engineered, and delivered with unmatched expertise. With over 3 decades of excellence, the Spartan machinery is not just a name, it's a global benchmark in construction machinery. Since 1992, we've been India's most trusted manufacturer and exporter. And today, we're empowering industries across the world. Wherever you build, the Spartan machinery powers your foundation. We're not just a brand, we are Spartan, the best in the business. Join the thousands of businesses who trust the Spartan machinery for strength, speed, scalability, and success.